How could mRNA therapies change CF treatment? Imagine a future where cystic fibrosis treatment could directly fix the root of the problem in the lungs. That's what mRNA therapies are aiming to do by providing new hope for people with cystic fibrosis. These therapies work by delivering synthetic messenger RNA into lung cells. This messenger RNA carries the instructions to produce a fully functional CFTR protein, which is often defective or missing in cystic fibrosis. Instead of just trying to improve the faulty proteins that are already there, mRNA therapies aim to help cells make new, normal CFTR proteins from scratch. This could restore proper chloride ion transport, which is essential for healthy lung function and mucus clearance. One of the most exciting parts of mRNA therapies is that they are mutation-agnostic. This means they could potentially help all cystic fibrosis patients, no matter what specific mutation they have. Current drugs called CFTR modulators work well for some mutations but not for others. About 10 to 15% of people with cystic fibrosis do not respond to these existing treatments. mRNA therapies could fill this gap by offering a universal approach that targets the fundamental problem across different mutations. These therapies are designed to be inhaled as aerosols or nebulized mist, which means they go directly into the lungs where they are needed most. This localized delivery helps maximize the treatment's effectiveness and reduces the chance of side effects elsewhere in the body. As the therapy instructs lung cells to produce normal CFTR proteins, it targets the core defect rather than just managing symptoms. Another promising aspect is the potential for repeated dosing. Early research suggests that mRNA therapies can be administered multiple times without triggering strong immune responses. This is crucial because cystic fibrosis is a chronic condition that requires ongoing management. Repeated treatments could maintain or even improve lung function over time. Several investigational mRNA therapies are currently in clinical trials or preclinical stages. For example, RCT-2100 is an inhaled mRNA therapy being tested in the United States to deliver CFTR mRNA directly to lung cells. Its goal is to improve protein function in patients who do not benefit from current modulators. VX-522 is another inhaled mRNA therapy under study, focusing on safety and tolerability for those unlikely to respond to existing drugs. Lunar CF uses a lipid nanoparticle system to deliver full-length CFTR mRNA to lung cells and has shown promising results in preclinical studies, restoring chloride channel function. While these therapies are still in development, they representing a new class of treatment that could complement or even replace some current options. They hold the potential to improve lung health, reduce symptoms, and enhance quality of life, especially for those with mutations that are not addressed by existing drugs. However, it is important to remember that mRNA therapies are still being evaluated for safety and effectiveness. They are not yet approved for routine use, and patients should continue following their healthcare providers' advice and current treatments. In summary, mRNA therapies could revolutionize cystic fibrosis treatment by enabling lung cells to produce normal CFTR protein regardless of genetic mutation. This approach offers hope for a more inclusive, effective, and personalized way to manage cystic fibrosis in the future. As research continues, these therapies may become a vital part of the treatment landscape, bringing us closer to better health outcomes for many people living with this condition. Always consult healthcare professionals for personalized medical advice and stay informed about emerging options through trusted medical sources.